Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Last week, my colleagues Iris and Cynthia talked about trademark search and trademark registration in China. Today, I'm going to make a presentation regarding obvious action for the trademark applications. First of all, let's take a look at the basic process of trademark registrations. There are mainly 6 steps from filing to obtain registration. The first step is to prepare and file applications with the China Trademark Office. In the next 3 to 4 weeks, we will receive the final receipt from the Trademark Office.
Oh, we started already? Okay, I'm sorry. Gee.
The final receipt is a kind of confirmation, which means the Trademark Office has received the applications, and the application number will be disclosed in this step. Then the application will go to formalities examination. If any of the formalities do not meet the official requirements, the official notice will be issued requesting amendments. I will make a detailed explanation for this part later. If all formalities meet the official requirements, and the application will go to substantial examination. Another kind of official notice will be issued in this step, and this is part of my presentation as well. If all of the above steps go smoothly, the application will be preliminarily approved for publication. The information will be published on the Trademark Gazette for opposition purpose. The opposition period is 3 months from the date of publication. If no opposition is raised, the application will be approved for registration. This is the basic process of the trademark registration. Generally, it may take 30 months from filing to obtain registration. This is the definition of office action. Office action is an official notice issued from the China Trademark Office indicating the deficiencies of a trademark application. Official notices mainly include notifications of a trademark abandonment and a trademark refusal or partial refusal. This is the definition of a trademark amendment. During the formalities examination, if any of the formalities, including the goods or service descriptions, do not meet the official requirements, official notices will be issued requesting amendment. This is the similar goods or services classification in China. It is based on the 9th edition of the International Needs Classification. This book contains 45 classes in all, and the Trademark Office will take it as their examination standard. And of course, all goods or services in this book are standard terms and all in Chinese. There are 4 kinds of possibilities which may cause to issue the official notices. The Trademark Office has very strict examination with the description of the goods or services, and the different examiners hold different opinion or judgment on it. So sometimes when we receive the filing instruction from the clients, if we find out the goods or service description is not standard terms or may not be accepted by the Trademark Office, we kindly advise the clients to revert to standard terms or just as listed in the mass classification. By the way, the clients may save money if they accept our suggestions. Yeah. Sometimes if the goods is not in proper class, under this situation, you cannot reclassify the goods or services. If you want to keep the goods or services description, you can just file a new application. If the specimen of the mark submitted with the trademark office is not clear, we are requested to provide a clear sample of the mark. And the first condition is if the mark is not clear, but the mark consists of the English words or Latin words, so the trademark office will request us to provide further description for the words. This is the way we respond to the trademark amendments. We may delete the goods or services in question, or just move it, or we can revert it to our standard terms, or specify it if it's broad, but we cannot reclassify the goods or services. We have to respond to the trademark amendments within 30 days from the receipt of the official notice. No response or late submission of the response will be considered as withdrawal of the application. The deadline is not extendable. Okay. This is the official notice for trademark amendment. It's better for you to understand if you know the Chinese characters. In the above, there are the basic information about the applicants. There are the applicant's name, address, the filing date, the filing number, the class, and the trademark. And in the body of the notification, the trademark office states the reason why they issue the notification. It's because the terms, the metal working tools, is not a standard term, and you have to make an amendment. And also it states the deadline. You have to respond within the 30 days from the receipt of the notification. And in the right page, you can see this is our response to the office, trademark office. The question goes, metal working tools was reverted to metal working machines. The metal working machines is a standard term as listed in the ninth classification. We have to respond the original notification with the trademark office. So you couldn't join or making pictures on the page.